Hey, what's up everybody, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to take a look at layer breakdown of my recent artwork of the Batman. So if you want to download the stock images and follow along, check the link in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Welcome to Photoshop, and for this artwork I have chosen the image size of 1080 by 1350. It is my personal favorite image size for posting my artwork to Instagram. For the background I have add a cloudy sky, as you can see, and brightness and contrast layer above it, whose value is minus 124 and 23. I have added a hue and saturation layer. The saturation value is minus 54, and a color balance layer to make it looks more bluish. As you can see, the values are there, plus 12 and 35, and solid color whose color code is 203153. And I added a star sky background, I guess. Yeah, mode to screen and opacity to 91 to blend it with the background, and added another sky background with a moon in between. And also I have set it blending mode to screen. It was something like this. After setting its screen blending mode to screen, it started blending with my background. And I have done some masking over here, as you guys can see, without marks, with marks. It's very small difference, and added a color balance layer to match it with the background, and hue saturation layer whose value is minus 28, and color balance value is minus 15 and plus 9. And I have also added a brightness and contrast layer whose value is minus 74 and 32. And that's all for my background. For the building I have added a image of a building with white sky, as you guys can see, and I have marked it out with the polygon lasso tool. And let me hide the marks for you guys, and added a brightness and contrast layer above it whose value is minus 150 and 100. That's all. And above it I have added a hue saturation layer whose value is minus, not minus, 211 and 45 and minus 70. And I have check the colorized layer. Batman layer, I have added a photo of Batman underneath the building layer, and as you guys can see, it's not blending properly. To blend my Batman with background, I have added a brightness and contrast layer, as you guys can see, and its value is minus 80 and minus 66. And I have also checked the use legacy layer or color balance layer to match its color with the background, whose value is minus 1 and 17. Like this. I have a brush. I'll provide you that brush in the description. So let me show you how I created it. For it I have added a new layer. I hit B. I have the brush, draw and paint this brush, sometimes bigger, sometimes smaller, sometimes more bigger, and just like that I have painted the back layer. The bats are coming from his backwood. The thing I have done is create, this is my Batman layer, as you guys can see. I have created a marks out of it, and hit B, and with the black brush selected I have just painted some bats like this. Yeah, as you guys can see, light effect. I have convert this to smart upside and create a copy of it, and go to the blending properties, inner shadow. As you can see, the value of my inner shadow is my 50. Color code is BDEOFF, and its value is opacity 50, size 10, range 50. And as you guys can see, it have applied all over our images, which I don't want. So all I have done is again convert this into smart object and create a clipping marks out of it, and hit Ctrl I. saffron brush and just paint over the edges where I think the effects will be seen, which give it the rim light effect. And for so hope you guys like the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram because I am active in Instagram. And if you want to see more awesome content like this, please hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I uploaded a new video.